So how to minimize the VFX, high-speed signals? Again, the parasitic capacitors that hang down. One of the ways to take care of that is make sure the signal travels the whole length of the via by placing the signal on the bottom layer and going down and back up. End on the same, on layer 1 with no vias at all. And that if you were to get one of the Xbox 360s, you would discover that's where all the high-speed signals are. They're all on top layer 1 with no vias. Use vias at both ends when you're out near the top and back drill away the portion hanging down. I did that on the test probe card. Or route on layer 2 and go in and out with a laser drill blind via. Those are choices. You wouldn't be surprised, they all have a downside. If you're going to route only on the bottom layers, it only works if there's room for them all to be down there. That's not true for a backplane. If you get lucky like I did, you can do that. Route on layer 1 with no vias. Once again, that assumes you have enough space to do all your traces on layer 1. One of the problems if you do that is the outside layers are hands down the worst layers on the board with respect to impedance control because of the plating they're exposed to. And if you put ENIG on, which is the commonest finish right now, the nickel is ferromagnetic. And that will cause the loss to be way higher than you ever expected it to be. So when we do this on outside layers, we never use ENIG. Back drill away the unwanted portion of the via that extends below the trace. It's an extra process step, and not super expensive, but it's risky. It's risky. If whoever set up the drill is not careful, they'll drill too far and break the connection to your trace. Route on layer 2 and use a blind via to connect. This is, again, my first choice if they'll fit, and there's a real design where I did that. Those are 10 gig traces. You can see the laser drill blind vias right there, and the traces are on layer 2.